Hey everybody, up for auction is Mr. Let's Paint TV's tennis shoes. Now you don't, these are one of a kind. I mean, these were worn from the period of like 2008 to 2009, from the summer of 2008 to basically last week. Mr. Let's Paint TV decided to get a new pair of shoes, and because these are pretty well worn, as you can see, these are state of the art. These are Asics tennis shoes, gel. They're the gel, and it's the model TQ, as in Cupid 60E as in Ernie, and size 11, US size. And as you can see, the sole's pretty well worn out, as you can see, and but they're signed. They're signed. Both shoes are signed, as you can see. There's the this would be the left shoe signed. All right. And then here's the other shoe signed on the other side there, right there. Again, up for auction, guys. It's Mr. Let's Paint TV's tennis shoes, sneakers, whatever you want to call them, running shoes. They're Asics. They're gels, wonderful cushion shoe, well worn. Been to Canada, stepped in a couple of dog doos on the way, but have logged many miles for Mr. Let's Paint TV. And again, this auction is only up for a few days here, and it's no reserve auction. $1 starts the bidding, guys. $1 for Mr. Let's Paint TV's running shoes. This is going to be a collector's item, guys. One day you'll see. So get them while you can. They're hot item of the day, guys. Okay, what's our next item, guys? What's our next item, Joe? What is it?